What up, guys? BigBoxBreaks.ucreate.com. Break number 129 is overfilled. Chris Hoy, I did oversell it to you by one, so I'm going to throw that extra spot that you paid for into SV Game Used. Also, spots bought on my site and not on eBay will be entered to win a free spot into my next break. And eligible for pre-box giveaway at the end of February. So let's go ahead and start with the teams. 3 times. And 3. Copy. Paste. Let's look at the teams here. Okay. And now, people in the break. 1, 2, and 3. Copy. Paste. And always, guys, I do throw this in the description below. So, let's focus here. So, Predators go to oil. Red Wings, Mr. West. Colorado, oil. Columbus, Mr. West. San Jose goes to list box breaks. Chicago, Dab 7. Blues, Chris Hoy. Lightning, Sensnut. Phoenix, list box breaks. Boston, Pictulin. Jets, Mr. West. Capitals, John F. Toronto is Churbin Lapin. Wild, Jesnora. Oilers, Slash. Montreal is B. Peterson, as well as the Devils. Flyers is D. Savard. Sabres, Pictulin. Stars, Jess Nora. Ducks, B. Patterson. Kings is Lucineto 10. Flames is Mad Jack. Vancouver, Pictulin. Carolina is Slash. Florida is Dab 7. Rangers is Islanders, Pictulin. Senators, Pictulin. And Penguins is John F. So, guys, I'll throw this in the description below and go to the spot like my breaks and bust the box. Trilogy! Last box. Eight packs. Empty. Let's go. Thick ones I pull to the side and do them at the end. Like here. Decoy. Base. 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 Games played. Ryan Nugent Hopkins. 679. Pack 2. Base. Decoy. Base. Rookie, Oscar Lindbergh for the Rangers. Almost thinks this is like, I think box 1, wasn't it? Pack 3. Base. 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 Rangers again. Rick Nash. Career points. 679. Rangers. Decoy. Pack 4. Base. 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 Pekka Rinne. what's this one? Games played. 381. Nashville. Okay, box pick up here. We got a thick one. We'll go Popman. There's a thick one there. Decoy again. Like a rookie. Auto. Base. Base. Nice. For the Flames, Sam Bennett. Out of 499. That's a nice card there. Sam Bennett. Calgary Flames. Okay. Last pack before the thicks. It is a thick one. So let's put all the thick ones together and go like this. Base for the Boston Bruins. Autograph puck, David Pasterchuk. Where's the auto? Somewhere on there. Nice. For the Bruins. So base, base. Base and base. Second fatty for the Flyers. Nick Cousins, level 1 jersey, $5.99 for the Philadelphia Flyers. And I don't know what this last one would be. Blake Wheeler. Jersey. That's a shitty way to end it. Good for the Jets, though. Getting a hit. 108. Blake Wheeler jersey. So, Sam Bennett rookie. Auto. So, pretty nice stuff here, guys. So, we'll go back to the spot and do the spot for the free, run for the free spot. Here's the hits. Rangers getting 2. And our 2 autos, which are pretty sweet. And Dab, you wanted to know the box number here. Forgot to show before the break. So there she is for you. So guys, if you bought them a spot on my site and not on eBay, like it says in the description, and to win a free spot my next break. 3 times. 2, 3. Pick Tooland. So thanks a lot, guys, and I'll get these cards out ASAP. And check out my site, bigboxbreaks.ecrater.com. SB Game Use is filling up. So thanks a lot, guys, and I'll have these cards out ASAP.